Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enter BIOS configuration settings and boot menu option for an HP Pavilion 15-CW1511SA laptop. Right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. Power on the laptop. Now you need to keep tapping the F10 key. F10. This is BIOS. This is how it looks like. You've got main security system configurations and exit. I will exit and show you guys how to enter boot menu option. Once you exit, the laptop will restart. Now you need to keep tapping the F9 key. F9. This is how boot menu option will look like. /boot manager. Any device will show up here that you've got bootable. Alright guys, I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe. And like always, I will catch you on the next one.